given question, we have the fundamental frequency in an open organ pipe is equal to the third harmonic of a closed organ pipe. If the length of the closed organ pipe is 20 centimeter, then the length of the open organ pipe is. Now we know that the fundamental frequency of an open organ pipe is F0 equals to small v by 2L1, and for the closed organ pipe F3 is 3V upon 4L2. So now it is given that F0 is equals to F3. F0 is equals to F3 in the question. So by equating the both of the values, we will be able to get the value of L1, which would be equal to 13.2 centimeter. So the option 4 is the correct option for this question.